question is more simple. So the mean square value, and they are given with respect to the PDF also. From this diagram I can say that, so the P of x, probably f is equal to, how can I say, means you just get the always a k is a one term constant term, and you have to make it as 4, k by 4. How I say means you have to make it as I told you the previous question, 3, and that means what, a maximum value minus of the minimum value. So 3 minus minus 1 is 4. That 4 is available here. And you have to go to x and then minus of the minimum value. So minimum value is minus 1, etc. X minus of minus 1 is x plus 1. Okay. So within the, what's the range actually? So the range is the x value. This is the x value goes from minus 1 to 3. Is it right? So here the x value ranges from minus 1. This is the semicolon, minus 1 up to 3. Okay. That is what. So remaining area, look at here. Look at the remaining area are 0. Nothing is available. So 0, you have to say otherwise. Okay, 0 otherwise. Now what I say, mean square value, you have to find out e of x square. E of x square is equal to, I use as usual minus infinity plus infinity. You know that x square into p of x as well as dx. Is it right? So now I just find out. So once again e of x square, that's equal to, here we are having minus 1 to 3. Is it right? So we just have this equal to minus 1 to 3. Okay. And then I just have x square. What is the p of x? Already noted in the first itself. I just said k divided by 4 into x plus 1 into dx. So it is equal to, I can just simply substitute for you. Okay. So k by 4 into minus 1 to 3, and then you get a x cube plus x square into dx. Okay, so x cube dx, and once again if it is equal to what do you have, k divided by 4 into integral minus 1, not of integration because you can just simply simplify. Okay, you just have x power 4 because you know integration of x cube is x power 4 by 4, and then x square is x cube divided by 3, and you apply the limits. Okay, minus 1 to 3, so minus 1 to 3. So after applying all the limits, I will get the answer as k into 22 divided by 3. Okay, I'm just simply just writing. Just okay, just don't worry. Simply, if any doubt means you can ask me privately. I can just write for you. Okay, just simplification. So you know that the PDF always equal to 1. PDF means probability density function. So what is the notation of PDF is minus infinity infinity. So p of x, okay, dx is equal to 1. So you be having 1 by 2, okay, into, and then afterwards 4 and into k, that should be equal to 1. You got me? Is it right? So afterwards what you have, because it is the formula, okay, 1 by 2 and into 4, because you know that k is k by 4, so that you have to make it as 4. So always you can have the value as k, which is equal to 1 divided by 2. You got me? Is it right? K is equal to 1 divided by 2. So that you have to just multiplication apply here. K should be equal to 1 by 2. That means what you get 1 by 2 into 22 divided by 3. Automatically it is equal to 11 divided by 3. So 11 by 3 means the answer is 3.67. Okay. So 3.67. So the answer you will get is around 3.67. So 3.5 to 3.7. That's moreover okay.